come work with me. I have 4 loads today, so it's gonna be a good day. Trailer was too high, so I had to lower down the landing gear. The leg doesn't go all the way up. DOT, don't come for me. I already done told him. I'm gonna check the tires. Voila. This is what I haul. It's for the tile. It's hot in Texas, y'all. We're gonna close the door because I couldn't close it being back there. Got paperwork, and then I'm gonna head to my first location. I'll see y'all there. They're done with unloading me. My second trailer. Somebody hit the trailer. I already texted my dispatcher because it wasn't me, so y'all not gonna blame me. Got a truck second location. I have 2 more. They took a while here because they were unloading another truck. My appointment is at 10. We're done with this load. We're gonna close it up and then go back to the yard and get the third load. Location. Last load. 4th load. So going home after this, after a long day. My hair is all crazy. Okay. So we're gonna put it in reverse, Terry. Disconnecting and going home. Oh. Come on.